When it comes to geotechnical services in Greenpark, Scon Design is the leading firm in Delhi. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field of geotechnical engineering. The company provides a wide range of services related to soil and rock mechanics, foundation engineering, slope stability analysis, and ground improvement techniques. Whether it is a small residential project or a large-scale commercial development, Scon Design has the expertise to handle any geotechnical challenge. One of the key services offered by Scon Design is soil investigation. This involves collecting samples from the project site and analyzing their physical and mechanical properties. By studying the soil composition and characteristics, the engineers at Scon Design can determine its suitability for construction purposes. This information is crucial in designing safe and stable foundations for buildings, bridges, and other structures. With their state-of-the-art equipment and advanced testing methods, Scon Design ensures accurate and reliable results for their clients. Another important aspect of geotechnical services offered by Scon Design is slope stability analysis. Greenpark, being a hilly area, often presents challenges in terms of slope stability. Scon Design conducts detailed slope stability studies to assess the risk of landslides and identify appropriate mitigation measures. Through comprehensive site investigations and advanced modeling techniques, the engineers at Scon Design are able to evaluate the factors affecting slope stability, such as soil type, groundwater conditions, and geological formations. Based on their findings, they develop customized solutions to ensure the safety and stability of slopes in Greenpark. In addition to soil investigation and slope stability analysis, Scon Design also specializes in ground improvement techniques. These techniques are used to enhance the engineering properties of soil and increase its load-bearing capacity. This is particularly important in areas with weak or compressible soils, where traditional foundation methods may not be sufficient. Scon Design employs various ground improvement methods such as soil stabilization, compaction grouting, and stone columns to strengthen the soil and improve its performance. By applying these techniques, Scon Design ensures that structures in Greenpark are built on a solid foundation that can withstand the test of time. Scon Design's commitment to delivering high-quality geotechnical services in Greenpark has earned them a reputation for excellence in the industry. Whether it is a residential complex, a commercial building, or an infrastructure project, clients can rely on Scon Design for reliable and efficient geotechnical services in Greenpark. Scon Design, based in Delhi, is a well-established company that offers a wide range of geotechnical services in the Greenpark area. With years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, Scon Design is known for providing efficient and reliable geotechnical solutions to clients in the Greenpark region. Geotechnical services are essential in the construction industry as they help determine the stability